Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer networking. So let's get started. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for logical addressing and determining the best path for data to travel across networks? The correct answer is option C, network layer. What is the total size of an IPv4 address in bits? The correct answer is option B, 32 bits. Which protocol is used to resolve a known IP address into a physical MAC address on a local network? The correct answer is option C, ARP. In which network topology is every node connected to a central device, such as a hub or switch? The correct answer is option D, star topology. Which of the following application layer protocols is considered stateless because the server does not retain session information? The correct answer is option A, HTTP. A standard network router primarily operates at which layer of the OSI model? The correct answer is option B, layer 3. Which transmission mode allows data to travel in both directions simultaneously? The correct answer is option C, full duplex. The propagation delay of a packet in a network is primarily determined by which factor? The correct answer is option D, distance between nodes. Which protocol is utilized by the ping utility to test the reachability of a host? The correct answer is option A, ICMP. Which CIDR notation corresponds to a standard class C subnet mask 255.255.255.0? The correct answer is option B, /24. The data link layer is logically divided into which two sublayers? The correct answer is option C, LLC and MAC. What is the primary purpose of the domain name system DNS? The correct answer is option D, to map human-readable domain names to IP addresses. Which error detection technique uses a generator polynomial to calculate a remainder that is appended to the data frame? The correct answer is option A, cyclic redundancy check, CRC. In the go backend sliding window protocol, if the window size is n, what is the maximum number of frames that can be sent without receiving an acknowledgement? The correct answer is option B, n. Which of the following is a key characteristic of the User Datagram Protocol, UDP? The correct answer is option C, connectionless and unreliable. In a TCP/IP configuration, what is the function of the default gateway? The correct answer is option D, to provide a path for traffic destined for a different network. Which routing protocol is categorized as an exterior gateway protocol, EGP, and is used to exchange routing information between autonomous systems on the Internet? The correct answer is option A, BGP. What is the length of a standard MAC, media access control, address? The correct answer is option B, 48 bits. Which transmission medium uses light pulses to transmit data and is immune to electromagnetic interference, EMI? The correct answer is option C, fiber optic cable. Which well-known port number is used by the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, for sending emails? The correct answer is option D, 25. What is the maximum theoretical efficiency of the Pure Aloha protocol? The correct answer is option A, 18.4%. Which technology allows multiple devices on a private network to share a single public IP address for Internet access? The correct answer is option B, NAT. Which TCP flag is used to initiate the three-way handshake process for establishing a connection? The correct answer is option C, SYN. In an IPv6 header, what is the size of the payload length field? The correct answer is option D, 16 bits. A network switch is often technically described as which of the following? The correct answer is option A, multi-port bridge. In network programming, a socket is defined as the combination of which two components? The correct answer is option B, IP address and port number. Which protocol is used for reliable, connection-oriented file transfers between a client and a server? The correct answer is option C, FTP. What is the bit length of an IPv6 address? The correct answer is option D, 128 bits. Which OSI layer is responsible for data compression, encryption, and character set translation? The correct answer is option A, presentation layer. What is the range of well-known ports as defined by the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, IANA? The correct answer is option B, 0 to 1023. Thank you for watching.